Excuse me? Down here?
Hello.
O-M goodness. They really did hire a bunny. What? I gotta tell you, you are even cuter than I thought you'd be.
You probably didn't know, but a bunny can call another bunny cute, but when other animals do it, it's a little...
I am so sorry. Me, Benjamin Clawhauser. The guy everyone thinks is just a flabby donut-loving cop stereotyping you. Oh.
It's okay. Oh, you've actually got... There's a...
What?
In your neck, the fold... There's...
Oh, you went, you little Dickens!
I should get a roll call. So, which way do I...
Oh, bullpen's over there to the left.
Great. Thank you.
Oh, that poor little buddy's gonna get eaten alive.
Hey, Officer Hobbs. You ready to make the world a better place?
A tin hut. Everybody sit. I've got 3 items on the docket. First, we need to acknowledge the elephant in the room. Francine, happy birthday. Number 2, there are some new recruits with us I should introduce, but I'm not going to because I don't care.